Alright, SJCam sent me this action camera. We're going to try it out and show you some footage. Got a nice little case. Looks like it actually comes in its own little weather tight case there. We'll be reading some specs on that to see what kind of torture we can actually put it through. But that's looking pretty good so far. Box labeled accessories. There's our manual. It's like a tripod mount. Looks like another mount there. Bunch of pieces to mount it different ways. Battery charger, and some sticky charger cable, cloth, clean the lens, and nothing's complete without stickers. Alright. That's a quick snap that goes into these, which are your typical tripod mount, looks like. Yes, you have your typical tripod mount, and you also have the sticky back. So if you want to stick this to your helmet or something, you can do that. So it comes with extra options there. Complete set, so you can have different mount positions on your gear. That's pretty cool to come with all that. Let's try it out. Go ahead and open this waterproof case here. Just like that. There we go. There is the camera. So it's already got a battery in it. That means they give you an extra battery and a 2-port charger. Sweet! Alright, let's take a look at the specs here. We've got Wi-Fi, we've got MP4, 12 megapixel resolution, pretty good. Take a look through the menu here, show you some of the features. Alright, let's take a look at all the resolutions available. Here is the battery. You just pull this, that pops that little lid up so you can get to the battery. Push that back in all the way, and put that back in. A quick look at the Wi-Fi feature. If you push this button here, it'll turn on the Wi-Fi, and then you'll be able to find it in your network category. And once you connect, then you can start the app. And this shows you what the camera is seeing, which is really useful if this is on your helmet or somewhere you just can't look at the screen. Gives you your battery display, and you have a bunch of different settings in here as well. So that's a pretty nice feature packed into this as well. Alright, let's put the SD card in and try it out. Okay, I was noticing this picture here. That's just to show you where the SD card goes. It has nothing to do with orientation of the card. As you see, I'm putting the card in this way. And it just clicks in there like so. Let's go try it out. I hope you found this review helpful. If there's something I didn't get to, please comment down below and I'll see if I can answer your questions. Thanks for watching.